Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we will learn about radio button tag, checkbox tag, and also about the option tag. So let's start the video. So basically, what is radio button? So as we have seen the forms, in form we get the option of selecting the genders. So in gender column we get three option: male, female, or others, and you can select only particular one option. So that options are made by using radio button. So basically radio button is displayed as circle buttons, or you can say by using radio button you can only select one option. So let's see how to make the radio button. So I will use the tag as input type equal to, I'll mention the button or the tag which I have to create. So basically, input type is used to create the tags. Like I have to create the radio button, so I am taking the input as radio, and now I will mention the name equal to gender, and I will close the tag, and I will write here male. Now I will copy this two times more for female and others. So I will just Control V, and I will write here female and rest others. And now I will, after the body tag, I will give the heading h3 as the gender. Let's see if we can see the body tag or radio tag. So yes, we can see the three option: male, female, and others. So we can select any of the one option now. So this is basically radio tag. So I have to show one more thing. So about the radio tag, means there is some demerit or merit, or what are the mistakes that we commonly do by using while using the radio tag. So I will create one more radio tag here, and I will just give the heading as H E, and I will give the heading as country, and I will just copy the code again, Control V, Control V, and I will just write here the country name, India, USA, and UK, and I will save it. So as you can see here, we have got the two options about of gender and country, and we have the radio buttons for the respective headings. So basically, I'm selecting a male, and in country I'm selecting India. But as you can see here now, as after selecting male, as soon as I select the country India, my male option got unselected. So why is this happening? So this common mistake basically many of us do, that this is happening because I have given the name similar to both the different checkbox, due to which the this problem is happening. So what I will do to resolve this problem, I will change the name, and I will write here different name blue, and I will similarly write blue, and now save it. Now let's see if we can select the both the radio buttons independently or not. So as you can see now, we can select both the radio button independently. Now let's see what is checkbox. So what I will do for checkbox, I will write here a heading as R, what language you know, and I will just copy the option, and instead of radio, now input type I will use the input type as box, checkbox. And so basically I'm creating checkbox. So instead of radio, now I will be writing an input type checkbox. And now I will write the language Hindi, Marathi, English. So basically, what is checkbox first? So it is similar like radio button only, but the main or key difference is if we are using a checkbox, you can select more than one options, and it is displayed in the form of square. So let's see if it is displayed or not. So you can see here checkbox has been displayed, and you can select more options at a single time. So let's see now what is option tag. So I do for using the option tag, basically where we see option tags. So in the form you get the option of scrolling. So that is where you get the option like you have to suppose select the state or you have to select date of birth. So you get an option in the form of scrolling and selecting your date of birth. So let's see how we can make that tags. So I will first use select tag. Inside the select tag I will use the option tag, and inside the option suppose I have to write, suppose I want to create select the month. So I will write a month. So I will write a month, I will write a 4 months. Suppose I have January, then I will just go here and I will just copy it again and again 7 times first. See, or 5 times. Control V, enter, Control V, Control V, Control V. Now I will write here Feb, March, April, May. And now before going ahead, I will just give the heading as month. Now let's save and see if we can see the option tag or not. I will just refresh the page. Now here you can see I have got the option tag, so I can select the month, any month from this. So I'm selecting February. So that's it for the day. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you like my channel. Thank you.